Tequila! You're going deaf. You'll be deaf by the end of the year. Sorry.
Yeah, I am without a job.
First comes the problem, then comes the trying, and after that, finally is the outcome.
Yeah, I want us to be exciting again too. So, how exactly will I do that?
Warning signal, what's happened?
Are we in danger?
In danger of turning into Oompa Loompas. Body workshop, people. First position. Leading Shih Tzu. And breathe.
I accidentally pushed him overboard. Would you two give me alibis?
I'll give a reward.
Other side.
Wow! Which one's that? Look with the line and the two. See?
Oh yeah, that's the saucepan.
I'm sure the saucepan's over there, Simon. Look at the handle. See?
Oh right, yeah, that really does look like a saucepan. It's funny, I always thought the names were quite arbitrary.
You're just pretending to know the constellation.
Yeah, basically.
Which one's that there next to the saucepan?
That's the toaster.
Things couldn't get much worse.
Yeah, at least we haven't had any storms yet.